Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Outlook mailbox encryption and security settings, full guide step by step clearly. To enable mailbox encryption and security settings in Outlook, start by launching the application on your device. Next, click on the File tab located at the top left corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, select Options to open the Outlook Options window. Once in the Outlook Options window, look for Trust Center in the left-hand menu and click on it. Now, click on the Trust Center Settings button on the right side of the window. In the Trust Center settings, choose Email Security from the list on the left. Here, you will find the option for Encrypting File System. Check the box that says Encrypt Contents and Attachments for outgoing messages. Next, you must select a digital certificate for it. If you do not have a digital certificate, you can obtain one from a trusted certificate authority. Once you have your certificate, click on Settings under the Encrypted Email section. In the window that appears, select your certificate from the drop-down menu. Make sure to set the appropriate encryption algorithm and key length according to your organization's requirements. After configuring the settings, click OK to save your changes. Now, return to the Email Security section and ensure that the option for Add Digital Signature to Outgoing Messages is also checked. This will further enhance the security of your email communications. Once all settings are configured, click OK to close the Trust Center settings. Then click OK again to exit the Outlook Options window. You are now ready to send secure and encrypted emails from Outlook. To test the new settings, compose a new email. Before sending, ensure you select the Encrypt option in the message options. Send the email to confirm that encryption is working properly. By following these steps, you have successfully enabled mailbox encryption and enhanced the security settings in Outlook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.